Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another unbox. On today's unbox we have our LawMate notebook. It is called the PV-NB10W. Let's go ahead and get into it and see what is inside, shall we? So inside the box we have a rather large set of instructions, handy. The guide, quick start guide to the PV Cam Viewer app, because you can do a peer-to-peer connection with the binder if you want to. As always with all our LawMate products, our 16 gig micro SD card that comes included with it. We also have our USB charging cable, and we have our binder. Oh, fancy. There is our binder. And we also have some spare insert pages for it as well, which is also handy, just in case you want to write on a couple of them. Because if you wanted to, you could. Thanks for joining us, guys. As always, don't hesitate to shoot us an email, support@thespystore.com.au, or give us a call if you have any questions or queries regarding any of our products.